Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am currently recording this on my vlog and main channel, so go check those channels out. This isn't directed to any channel, so I'm just gonna post the same thing on both. But in this video, it is 2026! Yay! And I thought I'd be like almost every YouTuber that used to do it a long time ago and do a rewind 2025. 2025 was a big year for me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. They're all my platforms, even X. So you should go check those out. Those are also in my bio, or not in the bio. Yeah, in the bio and in the description of this video. But this year was really important to me and really special for me because on my TikTok, I gained 500 followers. If you can see it, 500 followers in just 6 months. On Instagram, I gained 100 followers in a year. Not as much as TikTok, but still pretty good. And I currently just posted a video that has 50,000 views. If you can see it, it's not that clear. I'll just put it like right here. But yeah, I got 50,000 views from it. And on TikTok, I got 50,000 views on my iPhone 17 Pro video teaser, which you guys should go check out, and the pre-order for the iPhone I posted on TikTok. So I've shown a lot of growth, and on YouTube, I'm not gonna show it on my phone because I'm too lazy, but I've gained almost 200 subscribers. Almost. I started the year with only 700 and went up to 800. Which I was supposed to hit 800 a long time ago, but I fell off and the number just kept shrinking. It never left 700, but it just kept going up and down. I finally hit 800 subscribers, thanks to all of you guys watching on the vlog channel. But if you're on the main channel, I did show some growth, but not a lot. But I'm still grateful for every channel, everybody that watches my videos. I do have some videos on my shorts on YouTube of the main channel that did get 20,000 or views, but as you can see, it looks like Carter PCs, but that is actually Sora AI. I posted a lot of Sora AI videos this year because I've been lit onto Sora and I always wanted to do Sora, so yeah. Basically what I'm saying is I've showed a lot of growth and I've grown a lot this year, and I want to thank all of you guys for that. Here's one special thing I'm gonna say. If you're watching on the main channel, I haven't posted that many long form videos, so I'm just gonna add some shorts to compensate. If you're watching on the vlog channel, then like go ahead. All the videos on the vlog channel is gonna be vlog video. All my videos, my main whatever long form videos. Yapping, let's get to those videos. But before I do, I just wanted to start off by saying that I am currently recording on my new vlogging camera, the Sony ZV-1F. Yeah, this camera is really good. I really like this camera, and I hope to film more videos. But these parts of the videos were filmed entirely on this camera. So yeah, they weren't filmed on my vlogging iPhone, which this is not. Also, a lot of people on my YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and everything I post on say like I'm the black version of PlayerRock124, and a good meaning. But do you guys think I really am like the black version of PlayerRock124? I mean, we destroy tech. He destroys tech too. He reviews tech sometimes. We have sort of the same personality. I don't know. And like our content's kind of the same, but like, do you guys think that like I'm the black version of PlayerRock124? And also, PlayerRock124 is watching this right now. Do you want to collab? Thank you for a great 2025. I had fun. I really enjoyed this year because of you guys. So to compensate, let's share some good moments from 2025. wow. You see all the memories from 2025? Hopefully we can make just as many, if not more memories from 2026. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in 2026. Well, it's currently 2026, and I'm filming this in 2025, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.